Let's hear it for Gina Garcia, escorted by Trey Schrader. Up next we have Jennifer Scott, escorted by Jason Macomb.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Up next we have Carrie Boyce, escorted by Mike Gutierrez. Next we have Laura Luhanic, escorted by Brian Jimerson. Next is Dana Light, escorted by Nate Irwin. Now for Maid of Honor and Best Man, Anessa Kosian, escorted by Nick Haratakis. Just give a round of applause to the wedding party there, folks. Don't they look great? Great job there, wedding party. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if we can have everybody please stand up, everybody on their feet. Let's welcome our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Gordon Light. Let them through there, folks. Congratulations to you, folks.
Our Heavenly Father and Creator, we ask that you bless all the food that we partake of, and especially the company and family experience that we celebrate. We ask your continued blessings on this couple as they live their married life and remain witnesses always to you, to the light, to the truth, and to our salvation. Bless us as we continue in our celebration through music, fun, and food and drink. And we ask this all through Christ our Lord. Amen.
say, but Amber, I think you now have the role of sitting in the front yard with my son to keep him from topping over from those late nights when he can't make it into the house. So seeing as how I'm not going to be sitting on the front lawn with him anymore, it's all up to you, baby. Congratulations. I love you both.
Go for it.
Amber, I'm sorry.
What's my fault?
That's it. Are you serious? I'm done. I got nothing else to say. First off, I just want to say that this group of groomsmen are some real class acts. It's been a lot of fun hanging out with them. Bachelor party was just that. Yeah, you know, when Gordon first told me that he was gonna propose to Amber, you know, I was pretty happy for him. I said, "Well, it's great, Gordon. You know, Amber's a great girl. She's beautiful, very nice. You know, but I didn't think I'd ever see this day that the state of Texas would allow same-sex marriage. But here we are, nonetheless. Gordon and I have been friends for a long time. I know him better than most people. I'll just leave it at that. And you guys have my blessing. I love you both. Amber, you're one of us now, so congratulations.
Unfortunately.
So here's our toast or whatever, right? Here's to Gordon and Amber. Congratulations, guys.
And Nessa is supposed to be doing this, but
I don't have as good a story.
I'll take one for a team. I've known Amber since 6th grade. She was bouncing around everywhere. Couldn't keep up with her, but it's been, I don't know how many years now, I can't count, but I'm so happy she found somebody she can grow old with, who's goofy just like her, and we love you, Gordon, but if you do something, you gotta answer to all of us. And that's to say something.
What?
That's your brother-in-law.
Maid of honor.
Welcome, Gordon. Welcome to Cosion family, even though I'm not a part of it, but whatever. There you go. All right. Cheers to the couple. To tonight. Woo! I hate doing that.
Do you guys want to say thanks for everybody?
Yeah, they do.
Thank you. I'm not good with speeches. All y'all are awesome. My parents, Amber's parents, for taking us in. Me in especially. For y'all taking her in. All y'all. Aaron, Joe, Zifa, Christina, Carlos, everybody. Carlos, Milan, whatever. I can't say everybody's names. I appreciate everything from everybody all the time. Keep the love coming.
Cheers. Wasn't really.
Neither was I.
We didn't
We
really
weren't
come up with a
supposed to
speech, but just wanted to thank everybody for coming out. We really appreciate you all, and we love you all, and appreciate y'all celebrating this very special day with us. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
Let's hear it for our best man with bridesmaids and bride and groom one more time. All right.
Hey, that breeze feels good, by the way. Does everyone like the breeze?
So you guys pause and look at me.
Okay, there you go. We need you one more.
One more, look at me.
You guys better edit out my sweat.
Good. Good.
Nice, very nice. Three pieces, I'm sure. Is that where she was? Very nice. Yes.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I can offer you all the grace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars are clear, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I can hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black, I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I won't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of the winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love.
How about a round of applause for that, folks? Congratulations to you too. Sorry guys, got a little bit of everything. baby, since we've been together. Ooh, loving you forever is what I need. Let me be the one you come home to. I'll never be untrue. Oh, baby, let's stay together. Loving you weather, times are good and bad, happy or sad. Ooh, yeah. Well, the times are good and bad, happy or sad. Why tonight? Why people make up? Oh, turn around and make up. I just can't see you never do that to me, baby. Spinning around you is all I see. Is what I want to we ought to stay together, loving you well, times are good and bad, happy or sad. Come on,
For Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band, and this time we're gonna get funky, 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 funky. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's start.
all right, Gina Bridesmaid is calling the rest of the bridal party out there to join her.
Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Two hops, two hops. Two hops, two hops. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Oh, yeah.
Yo, I'm running through these halls like Fredo. I got that F.O.S.C. flow, rock and roll, no halo. We party rock. Yeah, that's so cool that I'm rapping on a rise to the top. No wedding or Zeppelin. Hey, party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah, and we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you shake that. Every day I'm shuffling. this cash. We get money, don't be mad, now stop. Hating is bad. One more shot for us. Another round. Please fill up, up. The rest around. Just want to see. Shake it up, now you home with me.
Shuffling, every day I'm shuffling, every day I'm shuffling, every day.
All right, party people, come on here. Let's come on, lighten up.
Every day I'm shuffling, every day I'm shuffling, every day I'm shuffling, shuffling, shuffling. Lose down, down, do you dance? Do we got a brand new down, down, do you dance? Do you dance? Lose down, down, do you dance? Do you dance? Down, down, do you dance? Do you dance? They say I'm a rapper, and I say no. Don't say what you doing, trying to do somebody cold. I just let the music come from my soul, so I don't know why people can't stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance. Come on, you gotta move your muscle. Brand new dance. It's time to keep it shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go. We gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Knock it, knock it, knock it, knock it. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. 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 To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Knock it, knock it, knock it, knock it. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Come on. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Knock it, knock it, knock it, knock it. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. got my chair. No, that one's not taken, I don't mind. If you sit here, I'll be glad to share. Yeah, it's usually packed here on Friday nights. Oh, if you don't mind, could I talk you out of a line? Well, thank you, could I drink you a bite? Oh, listen to me, what I mean is can I buy you a drink? Anything you please. Oh, you're welcome. Well, I don't think I caught your name. Are you waiting for someone to meet you here? Well, that makes two of us. Glad you came. No, I don't know the name of the band, but they're good, aren't they? Would you like to dance? Yeah, I like the song too. It reminds me of you and me, baby. Do you think there's a chance that later on I could drive you home? No, I don't mind at all. Oh, I like it too, and to tell you the truth, that wasn't my chair after all. Oh, I like it too, and to tell you the truth, that
above the blue. My heart was wrapped up in clover. The night I looked at you, I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I've never known. Oh yeah, yeah, you smile, you smile. Oh, and then the spell was cast, and here we are in heaven. For you're mine at last.
sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice, but I got you. Wow, I feel good. I knew that I would not. I feel good. I knew that I would. So good, but I got you. So good, but I got you. So good, but I got you. Now, ladies, let me see you vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gonna need your bow. Cause I'm a pro, make you bend your back low. Let me pound it real fast, just like the percolate. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. 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 Yeah. Girl, wobble it. If you're an OG Mac or I wanna be player, you see the hood's been good to me. Ever since I was a lowercase G, but now I'm a big G. The girls think I got the money, $100 bills, y'all. If you were from where I'm from, then you would know that I gotta get mine in a big black truck. You can get yours in a 6-4. Whatever it is, the party's underway. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say, I'm kind of on soul because this is how we do it. South Central dancing like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's let the track bring the old school back. This is how we do it. I'm kind of on soul because this is how we do it. South Central dancing like
the bar closes and you feel like falling down. I'll carry you home tonight.
guys. Got a special request here.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you real drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices. Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Madonna. Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly. Look at I ain't asking. They say they love my satin. 7 G's, true religion. I say no, but they keep giving. So I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady love. My heart, my heart, my heart. My hearts, they got you.
She's got me spending.
Oh, you're spending all your money on me. It's been
I'm celebrating with my life. Saying hello, baby, let's go. 'Cause we gon' rock this club. We gon' go all night. This dynamite. As I told you once, now I told you twice. We gon' light it up. This dynamite.
Hey, if I chuck this whole thing, give me another beer.
You're doing it. You're doing it.
They already closed the curtain.
Do it.
If it feels right, then aim for my heart. If you feel like it, take me away and make it okay. I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so we waited. I put on a show. Now I'm naked. You say I'm a kid. My ego is bad. I don't give a shit. And it goes like this. Take me by the tongue and I know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger. Baby, it's hard when you feel like you're broken and scarred. Nothing feels right, but when you're with me, I'll make you believe that I've got the key. Wanna be a baller, shot collar, 20-inch blade, on the Impala. Collar, get laid tonight, switch the road tight, got spread the highway, making money the highway, but it's got to be a bad way. Big ball and session, making my ends, talking big killer, get high in the big ball and session, making my ends. Smoking big killer, getting high in the bins. Big smoke goes as I fall, I don't know. White in the red zone, smoke all up in my nose. Your eyes get froze, and you see my nose in the red too. Then my top line slow. I don't know. Sit in my shit, presidential B12 to the end. Go quick, as I get high. From the H side to the south side. Now we worldwide, watch me hot side. That blowing killer can't be denied. My niggas selling goods, oh yeah, we got goods. Boys sticking to my flow. Leave a little bit closer, see. Roses still smell like
one of them drinks get deep at the sight of an ATM receipt. But ain't big keeps coming, ain't cheap. Tricking off this lost me, going deep up, quick way to eat up, deep place to sleep up. When I come for a treat for a treat. No, go on the wrong sex, my ass test is flawless. We don't wanna get involved with all y'all. It's just the whole point is in the courtroom. If I wanna see the support, bro, I not support you.
Under her underarm, she said, I can tell you rock, I can tell by your charm. Fars girls, you got a flock, I can tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one. How you
We're gonna make our exit, guys. We have bubbles on the way out. Right out this little steps right down here. You're right to the left of my DJ booth. We're gonna be making their exit.
I never had no one I could count on. I've been let down so many times. I'm tired of hurting, so tired of searching. You walked into my life. It was a feeling I never known. For the first time, I didn't feel alone. You're more than a lover.
I'm trying. Gordon and Amber, love y'all. There's your bubbles.
All right. We'll see you guys later.
Brewster! Stop throwing bells! Hey, how dare you? The car's right next to the way up.